What's goody fam? It's your girl Lily. Welcome back to Lily on Demand. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. What you waiting on? As you guys can see by the title, I'm about to be doing a few things today. The first thing I'm about to do, as you guys can see right now, I'm about to go get my hair done. After I get finished getting my hair done, I'm about to be going, I'm going to go to Walmart, I'm going to go to Costco, and also I'm going to stop at a restaurant to get me something to eat. So, y'all go get a snack, y'all come right back. Don't forget to like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe right now. And don't forget to get this drink a like. But yeah, y'all stay tuned because it's about to be a long day for me. It's early in the morning right now. I know I'm going to be out for another, I'm probably about to be out for a whole another 8-9 hours today, like a work day. So y'all stay tuned. I'm not going to try to make this a long vlog, but come on with me. Okay, you guys, you see. I'm about to get it dipped. I'm about to get everything dipped. I'm about to get my ends dipped. Yeah. Then I'm gonna go out to eat. So y'all stay tuned. So I'm done. On to the next one. On to the next one. So I got a lot to do today, so y'all stay tuned. If y'all still watching this video, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm back in my car, so now I'm about to go get my car washed. After I get my car washed, I'm gonna go get me something to eat. Y'all see that doodle turd? Got to get the car washed. It's a long line. Just got the Texas Roadhouse. I'm about to eat good, y'all. These drinks bomb. And this bomb. Crushed. So I'm waiting for my meal to come now. And after my meal come, I'm gonna show y'all. food was delicious. Yes, it was. So now I'm shopping. Shopping now, looking at stuff. And TJ Maxx, looking at stuff. But I'm about to get up out of here.
60, 68, 86. Okay, oh, and this too. 75, 21.
I made it back home. I'm safe. Yes, there's a whole bunch of stuff going on out there in the world. We done seen car accidents. There's a whole bunch of stuff that was just going on the road. So I made it home safe. I'm laying down now. I'm about to give me some rest because I've been up early since like 5 o'clock. When I picked up the camera early this morning, it was 5:45. I had a busy day. I'm home. I'm about to chill. If you guys made it to the end of this video, give this video a big old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. What you waiting on? But until next time, peace.